Hi everyone. Today we will analyze the DHT11 sensor and its capabilities. DHT11 is a sensor that measures temperature and humidity. The connection is simple. VCC is connected to 5 or 3.3 volts, GND to the Arduino's GND, and data to a digital pin, in my case, D2. To get started, download the DHT library from Adafruit using the Arduino Library Manager. You'll find the code linked in the description. First, we include the DHT library and define the pin for the sensor. Then we create an object to read temperature and humidity. In the setup function, we initialize the serial monitor and start the sensor. In the loop function, we read the temperature in Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. If there's an error, we display a message. Next, we show the temperature and humidity values on the serial monitor. Finally, we add a 2-second delay before the next measurement. Upload the code to your Arduino, open the serial monitor, and watch the data update. Now, you know how to work with the DHT11 sensor. Thank you for watching.